last class we have already discussed about the menstrual cycle or the uterine cycle. Today we are going to discuss about two topics, that is fertilization and development of the fertilized ovum. That is regarding fertilization, that is we can say that the size of the ovum is 0.15 mm in diameter. This will be asked for filling the blanks or match the following like that. Then the ovum moves to the tube and finally reaches the uterus. During intercourse, it is about 60 to 120 million sperms are deposited in the posterior fornix of the vagina. Then during its journey through the uterus, that is most of them will die. That is about thousands of them will reaches the uterus. Then the sperm meets the ovum in the ambula. That is, the ambula is the curved portion of the fallopian tube. Then there the fertilization takes place. That is very important question. One question is that fertilization takes place at the ambula of the uterus, fallopian tube. That is, the fertilization takes place in the ambula of the fallopian tube. Then the sperm releases an enzyme called hyaluronidase. Then this helps the sperm to penetrate the ovum. Then maximum survival time of ovum and sperm is 2 to 3 days. When intercourse takes place around this time, that is time of ovulation, that is within 24 to 48 hours, fertilization takes place. That is the maximum, that is we have already discussed that maximum survival time of ovum and sperm is 2 to 4 days. If intercourse takes place during this time, that is during this time of ovulation, that is fertilization takes place. Then next portion is the development of the fertilized ovum. Then here also, that is one important question is that the fertilized ovum is called zygote. This also will be asked for filling the blanks or match the following like that. The fertilized ovum is called zygote. Then the zygote reaches the uterus within 3 to 4 days. Then the fertilized ovum undergoes segmentation and cell division. Then the fertilized ovum undergoes segmentation and cell division. Then the ovum multiplies and forms a mulberry-like ball of cells known as morula. That is when segmentation, cell division takes place and it forms a bunch of cells, then it is called the morula. Then gradually accumulation, that is fluid is accumulated around the morula and it is called the blastocyst. Then a fluid is accumulated in the morula. That is, we have already said that the segmentation and cell division takes place and a bunch of cells forms, then it is called the morula. That is, fluid is accumulated around the morula and it is called the blastocyst. In the blastocyst, there is a compact mass of cells forms, then it is called the inner cell mass. Then surrounding the inner cell mass, there is a single layer of cell forms and it is called the trophoblast. Then trophoblast forms placenta and chorion, that is inner cell mass become fetus and amnion. Then we have already discussed about the fertilization and the fertilized ovum. That is the size of the ovum we have already discussed. Then the fertilized ovum is called zygote, and also there is a bunch of cells forms, it is called morula, and fluid is accumulated around this morula and it is called the blastocyst. Then blastocyst, there is a compact mass of cells forms, it is called the inner cell mass. Then inner cell mass, that is the trophoblast forms placenta and chorion. This is also important, that is the placenta and chorion is formed by trophoblast.